You know that little moment after you spend money? For 5 seconds, it feels great. New shoes, takeout, a nicer phone case, that thing you swear you needed. Then later, you check your bank account and think, wait, where did my money go? That is usually where overspending starts, not with big luxury purchases, with tiny wants pretending to be needs. Most people do not overspend because they are bad with money. They overspend because the brain is very good at making wants sound urgent. I need coffee. I need a new outfit. I need to order food because I had a long day. And look, sometimes you do need those things. But a lot of the time, the word need is doing some very sneaky work. So today I want to give you one simple money rule that can stop a lot of that damage before it happens. A need is something that protects your basic life. Your rent, groceries, electricity, medicine, transportation to work, debt payments, insurance, anything that keeps you safe, healthy, housed, or earning money. A want is something that makes life nicer. Restaurants, subscriptions, upgrades, brand name clothes, a newer phone when the old one works, extra snacks, random things you buy because you were bored for 7 minutes. Wants are not evil. That matters. A life with zero wants would be miserable. The goal is not to become a financial robot who eats rice in silence and judges everyone. The goal is to stop letting wants steal money from needs. The rule is this: buy needs on purpose. Delay wants for 24 hours. That is it. If something is a real need, you can buy it. If it is a want, you wait one full day before spending the money. No drama, no guilt, no long spreadsheet, just a pause. Because most overspending lives in the gap between emotion and action. You feel stressed, so you buy. You feel bored, so you buy. You feel left out, so you buy. The 24-hour rule gives your brain time to calm down before your money leaves. Here is how it looks in real life. You are tired and want to order food. Ask, is this a need? Or am I paying money because I do not want to make dinner? Sometimes the answer is fair. Maybe you are exhausted, sick, or stuck at work. Fine, order. But if there is food at home and you're just bored, wait 24 hours. Another example. You see a jacket online. It looks perfect. The sale ends tonight. Your brain starts panicking. Pause. Ask, do I need this for weather, work, or a real event? Or do I just like the feeling of becoming the kind of person who owns this jacket? That question hurts a little, but it saves money. I once knew someone who made decent money but was always broke by the middle of the month. No huge debt, no crazy lifestyle, just constant little spending. Coffee on the way to work, lunch out, a few app subscriptions, weekend delivery, random online orders. None of it felt serious in the moment, but by the end of the month, their money had been eaten by things they could barely remember buying. That is the scary part. Wants do not always feel expensive one at a time. They become expensive as a group. Before you buy something, ask 3 questions. First, what happens if I do not buy this today? If the answer is nothing, it is probably a want. Second, will this still matter to me next week? If the answer is no, your mood is shopping, not your brain. Third, is this taking money from something I actually care about? That one is the big one, because every want has a trade. A $20 impulse buy could have gone toward savings. A $60 meal delivery could have gone toward debt. A $150 shopping cart could have paid part of a bill before it became stressful. This does not mean you never buy wants. Buy the coffee if you love the coffee. Go out with your friends. Get the thing you have been thinking about for weeks. But make wants wait their turn. Needs first, savings next, then wants with the money that is actually available. That way, spending feels clean. No guilt, no panic, no pretending. Just a choice you made on purpose. Overspending usually does not stop because you suddenly become more disciplined. It stops when you create a small rule that protects you when your mood gets loud. So try this for the next 7 days. Every time you want to buy something that is not a real need, wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow and the money is there, buy it. But you will be surprised how many things stop looking important once the feeling passes. Your money should serve your life. It should not disappear because an app made spending feel easy. Needs first, wants after the pause. If this helped, subscribe for more simple money rules that actually work.